So can AI rescue family photos in under 2 minutes? Or does it turn faces into plastic? Let's find out. So if you have a shoebox full of memories, a quick AI pass can turn those into printable and shareable memories for you, your family, and your friends. I know that most tools do 3 things. 1, they upscale, they make the image larger. 2, they sharpen and / denoise an image, making it clean and crisp. And 3, they actually do a full facial restore, making the facial features come crisp again, clean, without any problems. Those are the 3 things we're looking to achieve when rebuilding or restoring these photographs. Right now, I would like to go over the pros and cons for using an AI upscaler to save or restore your photographs. 1, speed. I mean, it's seconds or over hours. You're gonna save a whole bunch of time doing this. Number 2, readable details. So face, eyes, and texture pop, that's something that AI is pretty good at. Therefore, we don't have to strain our eyes or try to second guess ourselves while doing this. And number 3 in the pros, it's better prints. Upscaling to use these prints for framing or for photo books, it's wonderful. But now let's talk about the cons. Con number 1, sometimes you do get that plasticky look. Overdoing a face, restore equals a wax museum. I don't know if you remember that movie Wax Museum, but it's kind of creepy. You also have artifacts. So artifacts are fake textures or odd edges that can appear in a photograph, and you don't want those. And another con is privacy. So cloud tools may store uploads, know the settings. So make sure if you do upload these photos or give them access to your photos, don't allow them to keep it, because the AI can train on it, and these are your photos, your personal life. You don't want that out there. The other con is paywalls and then watermarks. There are some tools that are free, but they tend to watermark your photos. And the other thing is, as well as paying for it, some of these are kind of on the expensive side for something that you're not using on a regular basis. So keep that in mind when using one of these AI enhancers. And here are some pro tips for utilizing AI image enhancers. 1, fix exposure and contrast after the restore, not before, because if you do it beforehand, it's going to really throw things off. So just wait till after the restore to fix the exposure and the contrast. Number 2, if the face looks uncanny, turn off the face restore and just concentrate on sharpen and denoise. Just leave those on, but turn off face restore if it's really messing up faces. Again, these tools aren't perfect. And lastly, keep a before and after, the before and after of each photo, so you don't drive yourself insane when you're looking at them. Just stick them side by side and you'll see the changes. You'll see the unwanted changes and the wanted changes. So again, this gives you the ability to make a decision on what you would like to keep and what you would like to discard. So try one photo tonight. In the comment section, put magic if it did something great and actually brought your pictures to life and fixed them, or put mess if it just went completely awry and went too far. But for next Tuesday, our tech tip is going to be voice cloning, fun versus fraud. So there are a lot of voice cloning apps out there. There's a way to use your voice for AI. We're going to talk about that next Tuesday. You want to stay tuned for that one. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.